Not feeding anymore. The wheel is spinning. It's not feeding. Even with when I have rolls that fit in here, it still does the same thing.